There's Jack's at dog class. He's doing so good.
He really has a wonderful structure. And if you want to stand over here and do it when she comes and goes, you'll get that too.
Yeah.
Wait till I just got like a snake all over the map. I'm okay. That was a good one. You want to do it one more time so you get a better picture?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead one
A
more.
little bit
Troy.
slower. Real slowly? Yes. See, the faster you go, the more they converge. Or if they're in deep grass, like outside of the deep grass, then they'll bring real single track. Anybody that got that video would say, wow, I am getting a really good one. Who's the parents?
My dog Gretchen that was here a couple years ago, and Voyager.
That puppy's got attitude. It'll be a great dog out there for him.